Hi, Craig. Lift that tree up. Come on. Let me see you do it. Lift it. Lift it. Come on. Oh, stop it. Whoa, whoa. Excuse me. Temper man. Just lift that tree out of your way. Go ahead. Just lift it out of your way. Oh. Stop. Stop it. Excuse me. You stop. No temper. You want to come out? Huh? You want out of there? Do you want out? Oh, see, you weren't even paying attention. So you looked at me again. Okay. Oh, stop.